guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking all about how I keep my dry skin on my body smooth and silky, hydrated, and bump free during the summertime. So for me, I'm a little insecure during the summer when it comes to my skin, just because A, I have really dry skin all over my body, and B, I have KP, which if you aren't familiar, it's keratosis pilaris. I've talked about it here on my channel before, but essentially it's the chicken skin, the bumps that you get on the back of your arms and like down your legs. It just varies on different people, but for me, it's always on the backs of my arms and always on my legs. So one thing, if you have KP, you know shaving can be very tricky. You definitely don't want to agitate the KP or irritate it more. It's gonna create even more of a flare up. It's very important that I found a routine that worked for me. And I've tried so many different exfoliators over the years, and I have found that this combination together, especially when I'm shaving, has been game changer. Shaving in the summertime, I feel like can be really terrifying, just because if you're in a swimsuit a lot and you have to like shave your bikini area or your legs more often because they're out more, you know what I mean? I know that that can be very intimidating, but I promise if you're consistent and you do this every time you're about to shave, you're going to be really, really pleased. So these two products are from the brand BushBalm. They are sponsoring today's video, so thank you to BushBalm for sponsoring today's video. This one is the Dark Spot Exfoliating Scrub and the Dark Spot Oil. This one is in the scent Pina Colada, which it's so nice. It's a very light scent. It's not overpowering. It's not very potent. It's just a very subtle, lemony tropical scent, which I really love. These products are packed with essential oils like lemon oil and tea tree oil, and I love that it's 100% natural, it's vegan and cruelty free, so it doesn't have anything weird in it. I have tried BushBalm for months now, and I have probably 3 different scrubs from them in my bathroom, just because I have to exfoliate every time I'm in the shower, not just when I shave, but when I'm in the shower, I am constantly exfoliating. And this exfoliator is my favorite because of the granules. They're pretty coarse, but I really like it because it tends to give me the best exfoliation. I feel like I'm like an expert on exfoliators for the body because I've tried so many, and ones like these always work the best for me. So I love this product. The exfoliating scrub has been a game changer, and I have found that this one in particular has been really helpful, not only to help prevent any dark spots, hyperpigmentation, ingrown hairs, razor bumps. The scrub really does help because it also has the ability to hydrate at the same time. So when you use the scrub before you shave, you're actually creating like a little barrier. This is how like I envision it, but like there's like this little barrier that occurs on top of like my KP. So it's kind of protecting the KP, and it's not as intense, whereas if you were to just go right ahead and shave on that KP, which already like just gives me the chills because I already know that it's gonna cause an irritation, it's gonna get itchy. So I always find exfoliating to be very, very important before shaving. I usually use the exfoliator with a little bit of water on my legs, just because I want it to be more abrasive and more of an intense scrub, just because my skin there is not as sensitive as it would be on my armpits or on the bikini line. I definitely like a more intense scrub, but like I said, you can definitely dilute the scrub to make it more gentler if that's more your speed. But for me, I like a more intense scrub. And once you rinse off the scrub, you immediately can tell how smooth your skin is. Just like nice and slick, which means it is prepped to shave. So whether or not you are using like a shave cream or a conditioner or whatever it is that you use to shave, just shave as you normally would. And then after that, go in with the oil. This is the Dark Spot oil. They have different oils that can be targeted towards different skin concerns. So if you aren't really concerned about dark spots, you can definitely check out their website to see the other oils that they have. This specific oil I really like just because I can put it on my armpits, which I feel like a lot of people find really weird. They're like, oil on my armpits, but I only put the oil on my armpits if I shave my pits. and it doesn't irritate it in any way. It's actually very soothing, and it also just really helps so that you don't create any kind of flare up or ingrown hairs. Then I go ahead and apply the oil onto damp skin. So I just take a towel and I just pat my legs, not dry, but just damp, and then I go ahead and apply the oil, and I find that the oil absorbs into my skin way quicker, and it works really well for me. The best part about the oil is that it's not thick and it's not heavy. You don't have that like sticky residue or film. It absorbs so fast. Almost every day I am using this routine just because my skin really needs it, and my skin is really dry, and with KP you really do have to exfoliate every day. It's a lot of work, but I've gotten used to it. But if you are somebody who is trying to prevent any kind of shaving mishaps like ingrown hairs or razor bumps or hyperpigmentation, dark spots, that kind of thing, then definitely check out BushBalm. They've helped so much. The number one thing that I've learned from my experience with just shaving and also just keeping your skin smooth and hydrated, also to prevent any kind of skin mishaps and things like that, consistency is always key, and just having a post-shave routine is really important as well. So I hope you guys learned a little bit, and if you have any questions or any skin concerns or anything like that, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you guys. And if you are looking to check out BushBalm, I have a coupon code right here. I will have it on the screen and also link down below to shop BushBalm. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.